Hey everybody, this is GoGo. I'm going to be presenting a workshop at PolyDallas Millennium, Open to Love virtual experience. They almost got me. That is November 6th through 8th. My presentation will be on Sunday, the 8th. I'm going to be doing a workshop called Dating Without the Mask. There is more to that title, but just going to tell you it's about being a spicy brain, which is my name for neurodivergent folks like myself, ADHD, on the autism spectrum, dyslexia, anxiety, PTSD, complex PTSD, all of those fun things that make our brains just a little extra spicy than other folks. And we're going to be talking about how to empower ourselves to date from a place where we don't think that our brains are something that we have to make apologies for. Instead, seeing our brains and our whole selves as something that is desirable. So if that sounds like fun to you, meet me and your other fellow spicy brains on Sunday. All right, thanks.